Hi, my name is Tanmay and I run a community of mindful people. I've been doing it for the last 3 years and the journey has been immensely expansive. One thing I noticed over the years, in contrast to my upbringing, was that when life gets tough, rather than being assuaged by the Western notion of the tough gets going, I found the Eastern idea of sitting down and doing nothing to be much more helpful. So I teach people, coach people one-on-one on mindfulness. Why am I doing this video? Recently I had a conversation with a client and I have been having this regularly with clients and who shared that the mindfulness was making her actually more agitated of late. While the situation was really a source of worry for her, it didn't mean that mindfulness wasn't working. Now that mindfulness had hit the mainstream, it has been defined in a variety of ways. Moment to moment awareness, being in the here and now, being in the present, relaxing fully into the present, and somewhere along the way we have to come to equate mindfulness with good feeling emotions such as joy, relaxation, and happiness. While mindfulness can lead us to experience the good things in life more fully, this only says the half of the mindfulness story. In fact, becoming truly mindful and aware means that we are able to see, name, and more fully experience things which are making us angry, sad, jealous, anxious, vulnerable, or lonely too. Therefore, we have to redefine mindfulness as something more than feeling good, and instead see it as having an increased capacity to sit with the full spectrum of human experiences. These emotions are valid. They are not good and bad. We have to experience all, the good, the bad, the ugly, and learning to be less reactive so that we can make better choices. Mindfulness impact, or the mindfulness, the attempt of mindfulness, the why we do mindfulness is making better choices each day. It is not choosing only the good. It is also being aware of the anger, sad, jealousy, anxiety, vulnerable, loneliness. Does it sound interesting to you? And if you want to join a community mindfulness experience